Grab your ticket to discover the majesty of Osaka Castle, Japan's iconic fortress. But before you go, don't forget to check out the links in the description below for exclusive access to tours and activities. Now let's go! Towering over the bustling city of Osaka, the magnificent Osaka Castle stands as a testament to Japan's rich history and legacy. This iconic landmark has witnessed the rise and fall of powerful dynasties, serving as a symbol of strength, power, and cultural heritage. Join me as we explore the captivating history and must-see sights of this extraordinary castle. Osaka Castle was first constructed in 1583 by the legendary warlord Toyotomi Hideyoshi, who sought to consolidate his control over the region. The castle's strategic location, perched atop a hill overlooking the Yodo River, made it a formidable fortress and a vital hub of political and military power during the Azuchi Momoyama period. Over the centuries, the castle has endured numerous battles, sieges, and even natural disasters, leading to its destruction and reconstruction on multiple occasions. The current iteration of Osaka Castle, with its striking white walls and golden roof, was rebuilt in the 1930s, preserving the original design while incorporating modern earthquake-resistant technology. As you approach the castle, you'll be greeted by the impressive stone walls and the iconic Osaka Castle Tower, which stands 42 meters tall and offers breathtaking panoramic views of the city. Venture into the castle grounds and explore the meticulously maintained gardens where you can admire the seasonal cherry blossoms or the vibrant autumn foliage. Inside the castle tower, you'll find a comprehensive museum that chronicles the history of Osaka Castle and the Toyotomi clan. Wander through the exhibits, which feature historical artifacts, interactive displays, and multimedia presentations that bring the castle's past to life. Don't miss the opportunity to climb to the top of the tower, where you can enjoy stunning vistas of Osaka's modern skyline juxtaposed against the castle's timeless elegance. On a clear day, you might even catch a glimpse of the majestic Mount Fuji in the distance. Osaka Castle is just the centerpiece of a larger cultural and recreational hub. Surrounding the castle grounds, you'll find a wealth of activities and attractions to explore. Stroll through the Nishinamaru Garden, which features a traditional Japanese landscape with meticulously pruned trees, ponds and pagodas. For a unique culinary experience, head to the nearby Kuromon Ichiba Market, also known as the Osaka Kitchen, where you can indulge in an array of delicious street food and local specialties. Afterward, take a leisurely walk along the Dotonbori River, soaking in the vibrant neon lights and lively atmosphere that have made Osaka famous. Osaka Castle stands as a shining beacon, showcasing Japan's rich history and enduring cultural legacy. From its impressive architecture to its captivating stories, this iconic fortress is a must-visit destination for any traveler exploring the wonders of Japan. So pack your bags and get ready to uncover the majesty of Osaka Castle. Click the links in the description below for exclusive access to tours and activities, and subscribe to this channel for more inspiration for your next adventure.